Megan again, and I'm here to bring you another art tutorial. Today we're going to be painting some eggs. I got these from Kohl's. I've seen them also around at like Target and stuff, so they're the little like either foam or plastic or paper mache eggs. Some of these are already pre-painted, other ones I've started, like this one here. And I mean, I just wanted to bring these up to get you an idea. You don't have to do anything super complex. You could just do lines, you could paint little flowers. I haven't finished this yet. It got a little messy and I might want to redo that. But yeah, I thought it'd be a cool Easter craft to just try and do painting and stuff. So what I've got going here is I've been got my paint and water and stuff, and I'm trying to paint like a gold texture on this. Oh, interesting. So to do that, I've taken brown and I've painted lines on here. And then after I do the brown, I'm gonna go in with some red, just as skinny as possible. Unfortunately, I don't have my really fine brush, but oh well. Just kind of doing little swirlies wherever I feel, really. Nothing particular about it. So, growing up, my mom had a collection of glass decorated eggs, and I thought they were kind of neat. Don't know that I would ever have the hand dexterity to do super fine detail, but they're neat. So you're just gonna go in and paint the stuff. Also might help to let things dry in between, but really just paint what you feel on it. It doesn't have to be complicated. Going back and throwing some red in on what I already touched up. And if my brush gets too much on here, I'm just going to clean it off. It also might help to wait in between adding coats on stuff. I feel like my hand is too shaky. But that's okay. It's just for fun. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna do something else with another one just to show another technique quick. So, another thing you can do is if you've got a paintbrush, you've got an egg, we'll use this one. You can take that, and you can go and speckle it, just going and oh. Doing that. Probably gonna do a lot of overlapping stuff on this. Or, I mean, if you want to do something easy that doesn't involve paint, you can use stickers or something. Oh man, that wasn't quite what I wanted there. I think whatever I'm doing here, also gonna put a little bit of red. Itty bit. Still probably too much, but hey. Then this goes and mixes in with the white, and could get something neat if I end up doing enough layers here. I really don't need that much red because red is very, very strong. Kind of stippling this on. Don't really know what it's doing, but it looks neat. Okay, then clean that off and take more white, and I'm gonna go back on top. Then some places that's gonna go and give me a pink here. And I can make that as strong or not as I want. Might also just go and put some normal dots of white and not mix those in too much. So why not? Alright. So that is that one. And maybe I'll let that dry and go and throw in more colors because I think that's kind of interesting. But I hope that gives you some ideas for things you can do. It doesn't have to be realistic shapes, it could just be whatever colors you want. And I hope you have a happy Easter if you celebrate that. If not, just have a good weekend. Bye for now.